Welcome to MSS Technologies. If you are doing manual process for your home expenses or your business stuff kind sales, purchase, receive payment, and somehow you are stuck in what happened last week, what was the calculation, whether I forgot to uh, ask client for the payment, whether I forget to pay the supplier in credit or anything, and you want to auto use the software, right software for your right situation, so you can connect us. Our contact number is mentioned in the description. You can write also 7045300517. Thank you.